Founded in 1926 by Rolex founder Hans Wilsdorf, Tudor was created to be Rolex's little sibling company that could offer high-quality watches at a more affordable price point. However, one of the topics that concerns most collectors is, do Tudor watches hold their value? And the simple answer is yes. Most Tudor watches aren't astronomical investment pieces that are going to cause you to make a fortune and retire early. They do hold their value just like any high-quality luxury watch, and as Rolex's little sibling company, there's a market for Tudor watches all around the globe. Models like the Black Bay Diver are some of Tudor's most famous and desirable models, and while they don't trade hands on the open market for values that are significantly greater than their brand new retail prices, it's also a watch that it's easy to sell, and if you do decide you need to sell it, you'll be able to get back a solid chunk of your money rather than completely being out your initial investment. Additionally, as Rolex's little sibling company, Tudor also takes more aesthetic risks with some of its designs, and you'll also find some more unusual models, such as this pink dialed Black Bay Chrono, that aren't like anything in Rolex's more conservative lineup. Consequently, some of these models have the potential to become collector's items in the future, as these type of watches aren't the ones that Tudor will keep in its catalog indefinitely, and depending on the number of examples that they produce, they could be highly coveted items in the future. Now, if you look at some of Tudor's vintage watches, this is where they actually really start to excel as investments, and most of Tudor's vintage catalog trades hands on the open market today for values that are significantly more than their brand new retail prices. So, do Tudor watches hold their value? Absolutely. While Tudor watches aren't the type of timepieces that are going to allow you to double up on your money and retire early, they do hold their value, and if you ever wanted to sell your Tudor at some point in the future, you'd definitely at least get something for it. To learn more about Tudor, visit pobswatches.com.